Hello again. This is the CodeReady version of the visitor design pattern. Now, visitor design pattern is a behavioral design pattern, which means you are dealing with the behavior of your classes. Now, the first three examples of the design patterns, the singleton, the factory, and the builder, was examples of creational design patterns. They are interested in the creation of objects. They are managing the problems in the creation of the objects. Now in visitor design pattern, we have a postman example. We have created a postman class and two residences to tell the postman to deliver the mail. Now let's begin with the residence interface here. We have a residence interface, and we will have the farm and apartment classes to implement this residence interface so that we can tell the postman to visit these objects, the farm and the apartment, to deliver the mail. This interface has an accept mail method to tell the class to accept the mail from the postman instance here. So if we take a look at the apartment, we have the accept mail override here, and the postman will be here as a parameter, and the apartment will tell the postman to deliver the mail to itself, to apartment. You see, this is the apartment. So postman will know if he is delivering to an apartment or a farm. We have an overload in the postman method, postman class. The delivery will be dependent on the farm and apartment with isHome methods. So we have isHome methods for both farm and apartment. Let's see what they are. Well, they are similar. isHome method will return a Boolean variable depending on a random generated number not equals to 3. So if 1/10 probability is true, actually is not true, the isHome Boolean method will return true. So it's likely to find the owner of the farm, nearby to deliver the mail. Now this logic is also here, same kind of logic, but with a different parameter. It's 1/5 probability because the apartment, the owner of the apartment would likely to be outside the home. So it will be more likely to return false. Now these methods, these isHome methods, could be complicated, could consist of lots of business logic inside them. But as you can see here, the postman does not care about how complicated the business logic behind these objects that he is visiting. He is visiting a farm, he is just getting a result of isHome Boolean method. And just like that, the apartment is also returning the isHome method to the postman to be able to tell if the delivery is success. Now this delivered array list is purely for testing purposes. I would like to know if the delivery of the mails to residences are all success or not. This is purely for testing, but the idea behind the visitor design pattern is to be able to write this kind of code. You can create a list of some type. Now in this case it's a residence. You can create a residence list and you can add farm, farm, farm and 3 apartments. Now you can tell a postman, one postman, to be accepted by the residences. So if you take a look at the accept mail, the implementation of the accept mail, they will tell the postman to deliver to the relevant residence. So we have the delivery method for postman to overload in here, and postman will know if the farm owner is home or the apartment is home. So let's get back to the main method. The accept mail will tell the postman that he is delivering the mail to a residence, either a farm or apartment or any kind of residence, because any kind of residence that implements the residence interface. And at the end of the code, we will see if the all delivery is success or fail. If one of the deliveries return false, the result will be false. This is for purely testing purposes. Wow, we got lucky. All of the delivery were success, true, true, true. So the delivery is success. Let's run it again. We won't be this lucky. Again, we are lucky. Again. Now, yeah, we are lucky today. True, true, and one of them is false. So the delivery is fail in our case. Now the example of the visitor design pattern is postman. You can remember the visitor design pattern with the postman example. I'll see you in the next implementation video. Thank you.